Good to see you. My name is James Chang, Managing Director of Biocetec. First of all, thank you for your time and opportunity for me to introduce my company and orthodontic product. Today, I will explain Biocetec product. I will explain the main product, the contents, the Biocetec ceramic material, and second one, S-line self-ligating bracket, and A-line self-ligating bracket, and C-line conventional ceramic bracket, and mini screw Biotech. The first one, Biocetec ceramic material. As you can see, polycrystalline ceramic bracket is manufactured through the several process from ceramic injection molding, debinding, sintering, HIP process, and surface polishing process. We have been researching manufacturing process of ceramic bracket for 10 years until now. Finally, we developed all the process for our own manufacturing system. We have been developing ceramic raw material together with KISET. Here, KISET means Korea Institute of Ceramic Engineering and Technology. The left photo is the raw material of ceramic bracket of Biocetec. Compared to the other bracket, we use a very small and fine ceramic material. And we have been manufacturing bracket with high transparency by utilizing ceramic material technology. So our bracket has 70% of inline transmittance in the visible light range, which is very transparent. The lower left bracket side of the picture is a S-line and A-line bracket. And this is a S-line bracket made from AC800 ceramic material. Here, AC800 means the Biocetec and specialized ceramic material. The flexural strength of a ceramic bracket of Biocetec is more than 800 megapascal. So we named the material AC800. As orthodontic brackets are made of a microstructural ceramic, especially polycrystalline ceramic bracket. Also, the grain size of the Biocetec bracket, S-line, A-line, and C-line is very small and uniform, like these pictures. Just as the sand, small grains of the ceramic raw material is more dense, the ceramic bracket is stronger and more transparent. So the grain size of our bracket is around 1 micron, but the other competitor bracket is around 10 micron. So the smaller the grain size of the bracket, the stronger and more transparent the ceramic bracket. And also the nano-polishing process of a ceramic bracket with high hardness is also special technology of our company, Biocetec. The polishing process is applied to the hook, slot, bracket body, and the base, which reduce the friction with the orthodontic arch wire and minimize the patient discomfort. The right photo is nano-polished bracket of Biocetec bracket. And next part, I will explain S-line self-ligation bracket for passive self-ligating bracket. So S-line passive self-ligating bracket, which have a lot of strong point, advanced alumina ceramic manufacturing technology, and increase the treatment efficiency, and enhance the door strength, and all-round design, and undercut base design for reliable bonding and easy debonding, and round body and round surface, and twinning design for additional ligature. So I will explain each features of a S-line bracket. In particular, the average width of S-line bracket is about 1.96 millimeters, which is 46 wider than diamond clear, like this. The advantage of that, the contact angle of the wire is about 2.3 degrees, so which is effective for precise rotation control. And the average door width of the S-line is about 1.89 millimeters. So the contact angle is 2.3, which is very effective for the rotation control. And also high fracture resistance against the tensile force of the arch wire. S-line has optimized structure design about 10% higher door tensile strength compared to the other bracket. And the S-line has a precise slot size and parallel prom like this. So S-line has a precise slot and 9 degrees of the wire play when 1925 wire is inserted into the O22 slot, which is very predictable torque play. And also the undercut base design with a mechanical locking structure is the strong point of S-line, and more stable bonding strength, and which is has undercut base pattern inclined at a 20 degrees inclination angle like this. So the bonding strength was performed using ISO 11405 standard test. S-line has 22% higher bonding strength than other product like this. And the ARI score means the Addis remnant index, which indicates that the lower the value, the better bonding strength of the bracket. The S-line ARI score shows the lower value compared to the other bracket, which shows the reliable bonding strength. And we also check the fracture after debonding process. In case of S-line, there was no fracture in 20 specimen, but the diamond clear had a one bracket fracture of 20 specimen. And these portals, the comparative data portal with a diamond clear. As you can see, S-line has a low bicuspid bracket, but diamond clear, there is no low bicuspid bracket. And S-line bracket has a 10% lower bracket height than diamond clear, and reduced the patient discomfort and increased treatment efficiency. Especially the height of the upper incisor and lower entry of the bracket is especially lower than diamond clear, so it maximizes the patient convenience compared to the diamond clear. This is S-line, low bracket. And despite the low height of the S-line bracket, but S-line is not easily broken by the torque strength of the orthodontic arch wire. S-line has a maximum slot torque strength about more than 23% higher than diamond clear. And also, S-line has a special opening instrument like this. The ceramic tip can be exchanged, and it does not leave the metal stains on the surface of the bracket. S-line, this is a specialized instrument. And next part, I will explain the A-line bracket, active self-ligating bracket. And A-line has a lot of strong point, precise slot dimension, and round body design, and stable and reliable coated clip. The details I will explain the next page. First one is the A-line bracket has a 25-degree inclined bonding base pattern. The undercut base pattern provide more stable bonding and strength and minimize the debonding stress. This is 25 undercut base. There are two types of debonding methods for A-line bracket. We'll recommend the base method, which is safe and stressless debonding. This is ring method. This is base method. And stable clip also a strong point of A-line bracket. Compared to the other bracket, there is no crack on the surface of the A-line clip. Through the Biocetec material technology and specialized process, A-line has a stable clip, does not break even after opening and closing 1,000 times. And also, A-line has a higher wear resistance and biological stability by applying multiple coating process. In case of other bracket, since coated with nickel, the nickel illusion may occur during the treatment, but A-line bracket biologically stable because it is two-layered coated with white gold and rhodium, which is very biocompatible and stable. And also A-line bracket have strong bonding strengths. This test was conducted at Seoul National University of Dental Hospital. A-line bracket have the strong shear bonding strengths among 5 types of clip types self-irrigating bracket. And these are the result of the slot torque strength test conducted at the Seoul National University of Dental Hospital. Horizontal wire size from 1622 to 1925 were used in this experiment. A-line bracket has the strongest slot strength. In particular, it showed the slot torque strength value equal to AO Empower Clear. And also, we tested the clip tensile strength test. A-line has the most strong tensile forces of clip. And hook design and body and wing of A-line brackets 3 times rounder than other bracket. And the patient discomfort is minimized, so the treatment convenience higher than other bracket. And also the height of the A-line bracket lower than other bracket, especially the upper canine and premolar and lower incisor is lower and minimize the patient discomfort, especially occlusion interference. And the in and out of the lower anterior bracket is exceptionally low, so very comfortable for the patient. And A-line has the very precise and parallel slot. This is the data that measure the precision and parallelism of the slot by Seoul National University. So A-line has the most stable and precise slot among the other bracket. And 1625 rectangular wire makes contact with the clip when the wire is inserted into the slot, so which is more accurate torque control. And these are 1925-inch rectangular wire inserted into the slot, more active effect of A-line bracket. And this is the bracket wire torque strength test. We inserted 1925 SS wire into the slot, and we test the distortional force of the slot. So S-line has the most strong slot among other bracket. And this is the creep door tensile test with other bracket. So A line has the most strong tensile force, like 55 Newton, than other bracket. The A-line bracket has returned to its initial shape, but other brackets show a deformation of the creep or fracture of the ceramic body. So A-line has the most strong body and strong creep. And also we tested the usability evaluation test for orthodontists. So usability evaluation was conducted on 150 orthodontists. So S-line has the most useful among the other bracket. The next part is about a C-line. C-line bracket is a conventional ceramic bracket, which has a hemi-hook design, a stable connection with appliance, so rhomboid shape, and all-round body, all-round design, and twinning design for treatment usability, and base flange design and undercut base. The key point of the C-line bracket is all-rounded shape and precise slot, minimized profile height. And this is the comparative photo C-line and other bracket. C-line bracket has the highest transparency and also the low bracket body size than other bracket. And C-line has the undercut base pattern like this, and the undercut base is inclined 15 degrees like this. And the bracket C-line is lower than other bracket. And the shear bonding strength of the C-line is 50% higher than other bracket and stable bonding strength. And debonding stress is very low. Bracket fracture don't occur during the debonding procedure. The slot torque strength is also about 22% higher than other bracket. So C-line has the most reliable bonding strength and stressless debonding and very strong bracket body. And next part in the mini screws. Finally, we have two types of mini screw Biocetec, and Biocetec is a non-sterilized one, and Biocetec S is sterilized one. Mini implant Biocetec brand are manufactured from titanium alloy. It is made of grade 23 ELI grade, which shows more stable mechanical properties and also strong apex design and tapered thread design for stable fixation. And we have four types of head design. The diameter starts from 1.4 to 1.8. The length from 4 millimeters to 12 millimeters. And also we have the dual top mini screw, which has dual drilling design. So the self drilling is more comfortable than conventional type. And also it has double screw thread for enhancing the fixation point. We test the pull-out performance according to the ASTM F54317. The result of the test, our mini screws can stably maintain the fixation force below the pull-out strength value of 200 Newton. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please contact us, biocetec.com. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.